Hello everyone, today we are making tandoori chicken buns. They are so yummy and so easy to make. Let's go start making them. First step is the dough. So here I'm taking 1 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix it all nicely. Then I will add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of butter. Mix everything nicely. Then I will add 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of salt. We are going to fold it with the help of a spoon and then we are going to knead. Here I'm using the machine, but if you want you can use your hands to knead the dough. Once your dough is ready, you're going to take it out in a separate bowl and cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. While it's resting, let's make the chicken filling. For chicken filling, I have 1 pound of chicken, juice from 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. We are going to give it a nice mix and then we will add in half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all nicely and leave it for 30 minutes. Now I will cook the chicken in half cup of warm oil. I'm going to add marinated chicken. Cook it until it's nice and tender. Your chicken will take no more than 10 minutes to be done, so it's very quick and easy recipe. Here I'm heating some charcoal. Once chicken is ready, we're going to make a well in the middle, put some foil paper down, and then we will add a charcoal in it. On hot piece of charcoal, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil to release the smoke and then cover the lid and let it rest for additional 10 minutes. Now let's go back to the dough. We are going to divide the dough in 11 or 12 equal pieces and then we're going to make a ball out of it. Once we make all the balls from the dough, we're gonna let it rest for an additional 10 minutes. Now let's take out the charcoal and the foil paper from the dish and then we're going to shred the chicken. Now I will grease my baking dish with some cooking oil with the help of a brush. Now take the ball, stretch it from the sides, all of the sides, and then in the middle we are going to add some filling, and then on top of that we're going to be adding some mozzarella cheese. It's optional. If you don't like cheese you can totally skip it. And now I will stretch the outside of the dough and bring it in the center as shown, and then I'm going to pinch it in the middle. Now I'm going to roll it on my hands to kind of even the bottom, and then I'm going to put it in the baking dish. Here I have all the buns ready and I'm gonna put some egg wash on top of all the buns. Now I will put them in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. And here they are. They are all ready. I'm gonna break one for you guys to see how they actually look. And they are fully 100% cooked. They were so yummy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy it with your favorite sauce. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.